Hi, my name is Marlena.
And I'm Joey.
And we are part of the OWNSKIN team. Today we're going to demonstrate our products and how we use them, and Joey's going to be my beautiful model today. So just to begin with, I'd like to just show you there. So these are the packaging for our orders. So that's the cleanser there. That's in the small travel size, so just for comparison. It's 50ml and 125ml. That's the moisturizer. And we also have a face hydrating spray. So just to start with, I'm going to use a cleanser, and I'll just show you the consistency of this. It's just a clear paste type consistency. And on a just wet your hands and massage that into the skin, making sure you get all the oily pore areas. If you have a beard, it's no problem, it won't dry out your skin underneath. But we'll just massage that in. And then give that a good massage for about 2 minutes. We'll just clean that off. Okay, beautiful. And now my favorite part is the face clay. This is a face mask, and each order comes with a beautiful little applicator.
That was close.
That was very close. Okay, we'll just put it on here first. That's just so that you don't get your natural hand oils into the packet, and making sure that it stays, you're able to use it for a lot longer. Okay. And you can either do this part with your hands or with the applicator. I sometimes feel like your hand just gets a smooth and easy consistency. Okay, it has natural hydrating ingredients in here, which is what gives it the consistency that it does. So you'll immediately start to feel a cooling agent start to take effect. Just place this over the skin. It's okay if it parts in some places, that's just the cooling agent. All over the nose and the pores, and this will reduce the visible signs of the pores. Okay, once you're happy with that, leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how quickly it dries, and that will all be dependent on how thick of a layer you put. I put a pretty thick layer on, so we'll see you in about 10 minutes. Okay, so we're back. It's been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, it will start to flake off in certain parts and start to break away, which is completely normal. I'm going to let Joey go ahead and wash it off just with some lukewarm or cool water, depending on how you're feeling, and he'll be back. Thanks, Joey. Here you go. So welcome back. Joey's back. He's washed a mask off his face. His face is completely soft, quite moisturized already, but we do want to finish off our skincare routine. So we're going to use the moisturizer now, and I'll just show you. It's a new pack, so it might just take a while to come out. There we go. Okay, so you don't need that much at all. I just did that to show you. I'll just quickly place some of that on the skin. It is the most beautiful application. It's extremely light to touch, it's lightweight, and it won't affect, it won't get in the way of any makeup that you choose to put on afterwards. It actually sits quite beautifully on the skin, so that once your makeup is applied on top, it creates a barrier from the makeup entering your pores. Okay, so I'll just wipe the rest off. Just massaging that in. Nice. Okay, so once we've done that, our final product to use on the face is the Hydrating Mist. Again, it's a new pack. Okay, just close your eyes, Joe. Just a couple of sprays, and that will just keep the moisture inside the skin, ready for the day now.